Welcome to Enlighten Study Point.
হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান ওয়েলকাম টু এনলাইটেন ষ্টাডি পইণ্ট তা আজি আমি ক্লাছ 9 ছ'চিয়েল ছায়েন্সৰ জিঅ'গ্ৰাফী পাৰ্ট চেপ্টাৰ 1 চেঞ্জেছ অফ দ্য আৰ্থ ছাৰ্ফেচ সেই চেপ্টাৰৰ MCQ লৈ আনিছোঁ। তা ভিডিঅ'টো ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰাৰ আগতে মই সকলোকে ক'ব বিচাৰিছোঁ যে মোৰ চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব। ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিছোঁ MCQ। প্ৰথম দি আছে এছাৰশ্যন ৰিজন। এছাৰশ্যন দি আছে the endogenic factors are generally responsible for making the land surface and the ocean bottom irregular. Reason di ase due to earthquake some portion of the continent and ocean bottom may be uplifted or subsided. The assertion huddo di ase, reason huddo di ase, and it is the correct explanation. Next two di ase statement one ase the exogenic factor operate in the earth's interior as well as in the ocean bottom. কিন্তু ভুল দিয়া আছে। Statement 2 দিয়া আছে the endogenic factor operates from outside visibly and these include factor like sunshine, wind, rainfall, river, glacier and sea wave. এইটো statement ভুল দিয়া আছে। Next question আহিছো। Assertion দিয়া আছে the continent and ocean basin have witnessed a variety of changes. Assertion শুদ্ধ দি আছে। Reason দিছে কিনো as an external agent the river play far reaching role over the surface of the earth. The river have been operating in the tropical and subtropical area of the world through the ages. The reason শুদ্ধ and it is the correct explanation. Next number 4 di ase assertion and reason. Assertion is the river course become zigzag. Reason di ase the river course flow over the gentle slope of the plain. Assertion শুদ্ধ, reason শুদ্ধ, and it is the correct explanation. Next di ase identify the correct statement. A di ase a river carried sediments in the dissolved state. Statement A শুদ্ধ di ase. B di ase a river carried sediment in the suspended state. B o শুদ্ধ di ase. C di ase a river carry sediments in the rolling state over the channel. C statement শুদ্ধ di ase. Assertion is the sandbar become visible when river water subside during winters. Reason di ase the great river island Majuli is a kind of sandbar of the river Brahmaputra. Assertion শুদ্ধ, reason শুদ্ধ, and it is the correct explanation. Next question is statement 1. Sand and dust are easily transported from one part to the other. This type of flowing away of sand and dust is called sand dune. The statement 1 to ভুল di ase. Statement 2 di ase sand dunes often create dust storm in the desert. The statement 2 to শুদ্ধ di ase. Next question. Statement 1 di ase lateral moraine are moraines which are carried through the portion between the step valley and the moving ice. Statement 1 to শুদ্ধ di ase. Statement 2 দিছে কিনো grand moraine are those moraine which are carried over the valley floor. Statement 2 শুদ্ধ di ase. Next question. An endogenic factor of climate of the landform is here answer হবে কিনো option C rain. Delta are formed in answer হবে mouth of the river. Water cover of the earth is answer B 71%. A land created by transportation and deposition of the river is here answer goal delta. The land from esker is formed in the here answer হবে action of glacier. Horseshoe lake the answer কি বনো here answer হবে none of the above. It creates U-type shape. Next di ase the word Inselberg is derived from answer goal B German language. Next question. The word Yardang is used by the people answer goal A Lopnur. Next question di ase Drumlin is a এইটো কি হ'ব আনসাৰ ডিপজিশনাল ফিচাৰ নেক্সট কোৱেশ্চন দি আছে মাউণ্টেন গ্লেচিয়াৰ জেনেৰেলি অকাৰ ইন ইয়াৰ আনসাৰ দ্য ৰকি তো এই ভিডিঅ'ত এইকেইটা কোৱেশ্চন আছিলে নেক্সট ভিডিঅ'ত নেক্সট চেপ্টাৰ এমচিকিউ বোৰ আনিম ভিডিঅ'বোৰ চাই থাকিব ভিডিঅ' চাই ভাল পাইছে যদি লাইক শ্বেয়াৰ আৰু ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব ধন্যবাদ